In reality, we could use the panel prep and coat it the way it is. But we know that the dealership did a few things to this. We want to make sure that in case they put something that they call a coating on, that it's actually all removed. We saw that on the hood, the water was pooling. We had no beading whatsoever left on the hood. So we know there's nothing there, but we still had beading left on the sides. We want to make sure we're getting all of that off. We're going to be using the polish to deep clean. We don't really need it to gloss. We don't need it to shine. We're using it as a deep cleaning step.